My name is Christophe de Rassenfos, Chief Product Officer of the Stepstone Group and advisor of Stampify. I've been working for more than 20 years in the corporate world, focused on digital strategy, product management and M&A. I've been through a lot of acquisition and I worked around multiple startup environments. They were all different, but there is one common nightmare, and that's corporate governance. Basically, Stampify is a mind-blowing decentralized corporate governance platform, leveraging blockchain for the authentication of corporate decisions. Technology is now a standard component of companies. You can find very complex applications everywhere, in sales, marketing, human resources, which obviously I know, operation, logistics. You have everything online, mobile, but there is still that one thing stuck in the last century. One necessary pain, and that's exactly what Stampify is willing to fix.
When you look at the practice of corporate housekeeping and governance, you notice that the terminology itself refers to analog events and fixed moments in time. You have board meetings, meeting minutes, reports, status, annual accounts. All those terms come from a time where no technology existed, not even a phone. You had to physically meet to take a decision. We are now in the 21st century, and those practices remain. Telephone, telegraph, or even the internet, no technology leap succeeded in modernizing corporate governance. But we deeply believe that the blockchain technology might be the successful attempt. In most countries, incorporating a company is a huge administrative maze with back and forth from the bank to the notary and then to state agents. And if you take emerging countries like in Africa, the problem is even worse because of the inextricable administration and the lack of transparency. In this context, more than half of businesses in Africa are run outside the law, with no official deeds.
When we launched Stampify, we gathered an amazing and complementary team with blockchain engineers, developers, lawyers, marketing and compliance experts. On top of that, we have an advisory board composed of experts in every area that we are covering. All together, in the past months, we have developed a prototype that you can test, which will serve as the foundation of the Stampify platform.
As we imagined and conceived it, Stampify will become a system that will quickly prove itself essential in day-to-day corporate governance matters. We developed software with 6 unique features, namely a cap table management allowing blockchain-certified evidence of ownership or transactions of shares, partners or shareholders agreements, managing the fundamental rules of engagement within and between organizations. Resolution management offering blockchain-certified decision-making processes from corporate instances, such as board of directors, for example. Our on-the-fly notarization feature will allow users to access, manage, and notarize their corporate governance at any time, thanks to a mobile app with scanned pictures or record voice files. And thanks to our corporate housekeeping feature, we will offer a secure and easy document repository, ensuring a secure storage by a decentralized storage company. Last but not least, our crowdsourced feature, the Stampify network, namely a community of local lawyers, paralegals and corporate advisors connected to the system, will be available to provide upon request support to organizations about contractual and legal aspects of corporate governance.
So, why are all those concepts so interesting and what makes them so promising? The answer is very simple. They just can potentially be applied to every organization in the world, whatever its size, whatever the industry, or even the location. And this is huge. Business is getting global, and more than ever, we need fluidity, flexibility, agility, and speed. The pressure for decentralization is growing with boiling rumbles all around the globe. Artificial intelligence is besieging almost every aspect of our lives. Millennials like me now enter the open spaces and soon even the boardrooms. We are at a pivotal moment where the traditional and current ways to run business must be revamped. And at Stampify, we want to take part in that revolution.
Stampify wants to lay the foundation of a new business paradigm, transparent, trustworthy, real-time and frictionless. This will come through decentralization, and blockchains allow us to achieve that goal.
We're now starting the Stampify journey with corporate governance, but this is only the foundation of what comes next. We want to apply this new paradigm to accounting, finance, private equity, human resources, business activity, namely all the key components that build a flourishing business and therefore the prosperity of our society.